Hey guys, welcome back to American Truck Simulator, and today we are going to be driving the Western Star finally. I made this a couple videos ago, and yeah, we're here at the Kenworth dealer in Seattle, Washington, and our goal is to go pick up a Harvester. I think it's on a lowboy trailer. So yeah, we got our beautiful white and black Western Star. Actually, I'm not really familiar with these. Which one is this exactly? The Western Star 57X. So we're gonna hop in the cab, start her up, and we're gonna get to going. And I've actually got a little bit of news in this video today, but we're gonna go ahead and get out here on the road before. All right, we're out. But here recently, I've been noticing the past few videos I've uploaded are, I mean, it's not a lot of video or views, but they've all got over 40 views on them. That's pretty good in my opinion because some of the older videos I used to make wouldn't even get a view, and I'd make like 4 of them. So it's nice to see that some people are actually seeing what I've been doing. Kind of figured I shouldn't have tried, but yeah. I just, every day, or well, try to every day, just kind of make a little video. I mean, it's fairly easy to do if you're doing American Truck Simulator. You usually grab you a load and set yourself a destination, how fast you want to get there. Me, I don't really drive legally. I kind of drive illegally. I'm speeding, and I missed my shot. Well, oh, that looks like a way to go in. Don't mind if I do. But anyway, our harvester should be up here somewhere. We're just here to pick it up. I think we're actually taking it to Redding, California, so where our home shop would be. Marlboro, cigarette brand, huh? All right, let's see if if I'm not late or not. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. I think I am. Yeah, I am, guys. Wow. Oops. It's a heavy duty looking thing. I mean, that's not really far. Huh. Well. Well, it looks like we're taking potassium. Take this potassium job here. But yeah, the news is, I'm finally gonna do it. I decided I'm gonna get my CDL in real life. Actually, I know it's nothing like the game, of course, but yeah, I've decided to try to actually get it in real life here. Look at that. This truck actually looks pretty good, I ain't gonna lie. I do like this truck. But I'm gonna try to get it in real life. And yeah, wish me luck. I got the book to study for the permit today. Now, I do know it's different in each state on how you can go about your CDL. I know some states require you to go to school and some don't. I know it says stop there, but we're good. But yeah, I'm gonna try to get them. I mean, it's gonna be definitely difficult. But luckily for me, my father is a truck driver. And yeah, so anyway, enough about that. Let's get this potassium down to Idaho, I think is where we're taking. Or no, I think it's Oregon, actually. No, I think we're going to Idaho, actually. Oh, no, I didn't mean to do that. Yeah. I think I said Pocatello, Idaho. After this, I think, unfortunately, guys, we are going to probably sell the Western Star. If I don't come across another garage along the way. Because I need more space to buy another truck, because I actually got a few more truck mods, or different types of trucks I want to try out. And I don't really want to get rid of any of the classics, like my Mac or anything. Kind of want to keep those, so this is the newest truck out of them all. And this one will probably be the one that goes. It's not that I don't like the truck, though. I do like this one. I like the look, and I love the interior of these trucks. Like, if I do get my CDL and, like, I'm capable of driving one of these, or able to get one of these, I would definitely do it. It is a nice truck. Oh wait, nope, we might as well just stay on this ramp. Yeah, we're in Seattle though. It's beautiful. Don't know if we can see the Space Needle from here or not. I would okay. I better not. I would try, but might get in a wreck and want to try to keep this cargo pretty safe this time around. But yeah, I hope you guys liked the previous video. It's a fun truck. I like that Kenworth I have. Alright, we're moving out. We got 690 miles to go, 12 hours of driving. I don't know, I think they're wanting me to get over one. Yeah, it's gonna be another Kenworth again, because that's the mods that I did get of. But I do plan on doing other games. I did install one game on the PC. I installed The Witcher 1, because I've been playing. Oh wait, crap, I gotta get over. I installed The Witcher 1. I'm planning on doing a series on that. I think that'd be pretty cool. I've never beat it, and honestly, it looks like a pretty cool game. It'll definitely give me more backstory, because I'm almost done replaying through The Witcher 3 again, and then I'm going to be replaying through The Witcher 3 again once the remaster comes out. I absolutely can't wait. Actually, you know what? That's the game I'm most anticipated for, other than God of War. I mean, God of War 2018 was like a movie. It was really good. Anyone who just got a PlayStation, definitely give it a try. Honestly, just get the PlayStation Plus Extra. You will get a ton of PlayStation exclusive games for free, like Spider-Man and all those. And those are all definitely worth the shot. Because I don't even like superhero movies or games, but the Spider-Man game I will say is really good. It's has probably one of the best New York City designs in a video game. You really feel like you're in New York City. I never beat the Miles Morales one. I actually have it, but I've never beat it. I think I was burnt out of open world games at that time and got back into like FPS games, hardcore playing Siege, which I mean Siege is a good game and all, but it could be really boring. Like I burnt myself out of it. But I did hear they got a new operator. I think his name's Grim. And not only that, I've been playing GTA 5 online again. Me and my brother-in-law has been playing it. We've been playing the sumo mode because it's double like RP and stuff, and that's really fun. It's a blast to play, actually. The sumo mode's basically derbying, but you know, you're not trying to destroy each other's car. You're trying to push each other's car out of the boundary zone. And then, like, let's say if you all can't get each other out, it will eventually go into a... Oh, we gotta go to the wait station, guys. Better pull off here. We are speeding. But anyway, it'll go into a sudden death. And it'll create this little circle boundary that slowly shrinks. And whoever's outside of it blows up and loses. And it, you know, like, it pays good money in the game. 84,000 pounds. We're running pretty heavy. There's a lot of potassium on this truck. Let's get a... Man, I do like the look of this truck. It's a beautiful truck. And I'm not really fond of the newer truck designs either. This one's really nice, though. I do like this one. Maybe they're trying to let me out? I can't tell, because they'll slow down but keep going. Alright, KW, you're gonna have to let me out, bub. Sorry. Hopefully the video quality has been better for you guys. I have tried to fix that. And when I do review, like, I do watch my own videos, you know, I mean, who doesn't, though? I like to look at them to see if the quality is nice. I ain't afraid to admit that. Everyone does that. I might try to get more into editing, but, I mean, there's really nothing for me to edit out. Maybe I could edit things to make it sound better or the visuals look more pleasing, but there really isn't. Man, you just really came out there like that. Good thing I wasn't hauling. But, there really isn't any, thing, like, I would want to edit out of this. Oh, there's a... My God. That station wagon was demolished. Poor guy. He got sandwiched. Oh, God, this truck's beautiful. Oh. Oh, it'll be flying down here. See if we got any exits. Yep, we do have an exit actually coming up. Stay over here then. But yeah, I'm honestly stoked to try to get my CDL. I've been studying the book. The cool thing about the CDL driver's manual is it tells you where, like, what sections you have to study, because, you know, there's all sorts of different things, you know, CDLs there. There's CDL Class B and CDL Class C. But I'm going for the Class A for combination vehicle. And I'm trying to drive a manual or a standard truck, not an automatic, because if you drive an automatic and you take a test in automatic, you are restricted to only driving automatics. You can't drive a standard. But if you take a test in a standard and you pass in a standard, you are not just you're not restricted. Actually, you could drive a standard and a manual. I mean, well, that made no sense. You could drive a standard and an automatic transmission truck. So that, you know, my dad told me he's training me with standard, and I told him I want him to. So that's the cool thing, is my dad's going to be my trainer. So it'd just be like getting my driver's license again. But first I gotta get the permit, temporary permit. Which, you know, if I really study and put my mind to it and keep at it and learn, shouldn't be too bad, to be honest. I mean, it's definitely going to be hard. But I got the book, I've been reading it. I mean, I've even been looking up things like, you know, for my state online to help out. There's even mock tests you can take online. But yeah, I'm gonna try to get it as soon as possible. You know, what really made me want to get my CDLs, because, you know, for my age, I've done a lot of different jobs. I've worked fast food, I've worked retail, I've worked construction, and I've worked factory. And, you know, especially where I'm from, that's really mainly all you can work. And I wanted to try something different. My dad's always drove a truck ever since, well, before I was even born. And I've always appreciated what he did. And I've even went out on the road with him a few times. And it's a scary job. I mean, you're in a much larger, wider, longer vehicle than everybody else. So, there's a lot more to worry about. But see, the thing about it is, if you get a CDL, you know, especially like your Class A, you're not restricted to just driving semi-trucks, you know? See, because the thing about a Class A is, if you have a Class A, you can do Class B and Class C driving. But if you have only a Class B, you can't do Class A, but you can do Class C. And if you have a Class C, you can't do any... Class C is all you can do. You know? And, you know, like, Class A, I'm probably gonna butcher this. I've just started learning more about them. You know, it's combination vehicles, which are like, you know, semi-trucks with trailers and with air brakes and stuff. Then Class B is like, I think, straight vehicles. Like, I think that could be like concrete trucks, like large box trucks and dump trucks, I think. Then Class C is like transportation trucks, I think, like school buses or Greyhound buses or anything. So, like, let's say I get my Class A, I don't have to be a truck driver. I could be a concrete driver and deliver concrete to, you know, foundation construction sites. Nice. Bypass this one. Which would be interesting. So, it's kind of like I told my dad, it's kind of like having like a forklift license. You know, most factories are going to want you. And a lot of people want CDL drivers, since there's a lack of CDL drivers out there to be hauling, you know, cargo. Now, I only plan on doing local work in state and maybe like neighboring states. But yeah, my goal is to study an hour to a day. Really try to pound it into my brain on what to do, what not to do. You know. I've been even learning, like, I'm about to take some of the mock tests just to see what type of questions that would possibly be on there. Could possibly be on there. Now, more than likely, the mock test is going to be different. Like, the main test will definitely be different. Alright, guys, I think it's about time for us to set our goal here. Oh. Good lord, this might actually be a long video, boys. Wow. Yikes. Oh my god, this may be a long video. Alright, looks like we're gonna hit this gas station up here. I don't know. If push comes to shove, I will just pull off to the side and come back. I don't, like I've said in the last few videos, I don't like making videos too long because the HD processing takes so much time to do. It's really annoying to get back out there. This lake, or Little Lemon River. It's like where everyone docks their boats at, all their yachts. Like there's been another wreck over to the left here. Nice. We can only get so lucky. I think this lane's merging. Yep. Sweet. I'm glad I got over what I did. Ooh, God. I think it's a Ford Taurus in front of us. But yeah, I might do a Witcher video today. Might do the whole series. I don't know. I might do from 1 to 2 and wait a while until the remaster of the 3rd comes out. Yeah, we're moving, boys. I think we're almost actually near that truck stop. Yep, we are. Oh, is our goal to get off this exit anyway? How far are we? Oh my god. We still got some time. This might be a 3-part video. Oh god, I gotta race this truck, this JB Hunt driver, so I can get over. Oh god, I don't think it's gonna work. No. God bless America. Oh man. How far do we gotta go to get turned around? What? Man, I don't think so. Sorry, pal, you gotta get out of my way. I don't know what you're doing here. I'm driving a truck. Obviously, in real life, I'll never drive like this, so you don't even gotta worry about that. I don't know what this dude's doing. I'm doing the law. Jesus Christ. Damage 4%. Well, I don't know what's going on here, boys. I'm just driving my truck. I don't think that was illegal. Was it? Nah, can't be. I just saw how long it was going to take for us to actually get turned around. I was like, nah. In real life, obviously, law would be definitely different, but here I'm just enjoying the game. Well, dude, what are you doing? What are you doing? Oh my god. I mean, I know you could turn right on red, but damn. It's gonna be a tight squeeze. All right. That's the first part to our Western truck little adventure. It's already going great. Almost destroyed it. But anyway, guys, I'll catch you all in the next video.